basement cleaning. We're going to meticulously clean this basement and organize it as well. We're not going to pressure wash it at all, but we're going to clean from the floor to the ceiling and everything in between. Even the contents, we're going to organize it, and we're not going to miss a beat. Everything here is going to look 1,000 times different. So just take a look at it as you see and what we're going to do here. The floor is going to be clean. The floor is kind of uneven, but it's going to be a lot better than what it is. And everything's going to be cleaned up. So we're making it ready for when they put it on the market, someone can see the difference. I don't speculate or think anything out of the ordinary or to be a detractor to them, but more so they would like the results and enhance for them. So that's what we're going to do here. Cobwebs, I mean everything. That's what we're going to do. Here it is. This basement here in Waukesha, Wisconsin. And we're just going to make it look nice. Okay, so we'll show you the end result when we're done. Okay, here we go. Windows, I mean everything, inside and out. Yes. Thank you very much. Talk to you later.